So hello momsies, popsies, and of course mga kaguro and to all the students out there. Hello, hello, hello. So welcome again to our video tutorial. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to do different designs or presentation using CANVA. Okay, so I'm here in my CANVA account. Now, if you don't have CANVA in your laptop or in your cell phone, you can download first CANVA for education. Okay, so if you have already that one, open this one. Okay, now look at this one, design anything. Why design anything? It's because if we are going to click templates, you can choose whatever you like. So, nandito na po lahat for social media, for personal, and even for business, marketing, education, and trending. So, mamimili lang po kayo kung anong design dyan. So, thousands of design na pwede nyong mapili and even templates. So, if I click features, meron din po. Okay? So, ang dami nyo pong mapilian. Okay. So, now, if you don't have an account yet, please make an account first and sign in with your account. And I'm here in my, actually I have lots of designs already, no? Okay, so ito po ang ginagamit ko sa aking mga designs. Canva po ang aking ginagamit. Okay, so let's open para masimulan po natin ang ating design. So we will use presentation. Don't worry, napakadali lang po ng Canva. And at the same time, nakakatuwa siya dahil para kayong bata, you will make more designs pa dahil naiinganyo kayo for their designs and even for the colors that they combined. Okay, so now, in this area, makikita nyo po dito, templates, uploads, photos, elements, ayan po. Iba-iba po ang functions nila dito. So, for templates, okay, click ko po yung templates. Ito po ang makikita natin. We have presentation, education presentation, ayan. So, mamimili lang po kayo kung anong design ang gusto nyo. And take note, kung gusto nyong i-edit, kung gusto nyong alisin ang design or ibahin yung kulay, you can still have that one. Okay, so, pili lang po tayo. Okay, example, I will use this one. Okay. So, if you want that all 9 pages will be applied in your page or in your presentation, you can do so. But kung gusto nyong iba-ibahin yung style nito, you can have that one also. Okay, so if I'm going to click this one, click lang po. And still, you can edit the design. Okay, example, I will change this into class rules. Okay, class rules. Class rules. Ayan. Now, you can still change the colors. Here, dito lang po sa A. Okay, change the colors if you like. Ayan. Same with this one. And still, you can change the background. So, dito po, katabi ng animate. Okay. Ayan. So, more dark pa. Okay. And this one also, pag nakita niyo pong ganito, ayan, pwede niyo po yan. Okay, so here's the elements. Okay. So, in elements, merong pong feature, lines, shapes, frames, stickers, and charts. And grids. So, ayan, super dami po niya dito na gusto nyong piliin for your design. Okay, gradients, meron din. Okay. So, now, take note. In elements, as I've said, dito po napaka-interesting. And at the same time, mai-enjoy nyo po. Kasi, nandito po ang stickers. Aside from stickers, yung sinabi ko po kanina. So, ano ang kagandahan ng stickers? Now, but before that one, I will choose. So, example, I will search flower. So, lalabas po to. Okay. So, different flowers, of course. If you add on colors, so, red flower, you can. But, if I'm going to include or to add flower and sticker, okay, ano ang kagandahan po niya is, ito po, search flower sticker. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, adjust. Ayan, so, nagmo-move na po. So, ibig sabihin, yung sticker po, ang nagdadala ng veda dito. Okay, how about we look for another design? We say arrow. Sparkle. And sticker. So, do not forget sticker po. Okay. So, how about if we are going to add another page? So, let's go back to templates. Okay. You can choose any templates you like. Example. Ito, galing po ito sa, as I've said, you need to explore. Huwag po kayong matakot mag-explore. Let's go back again. Feature, sticker. Okay, now, if you are going to add another design or animate the slide, so you can choose it here. Ito po. So, example, ito po yung design. Para lang siyang animation sa PowerPoint natin. Okay, fade. Yan po. Okay, right. So, ano pong gusto ninyo na design. Okay, so, ayan. How about that one? Okay, example, you want to apply this one in all pages. So, you can click. Dito na po ang ating arrow sticker. Then, we also have our job well done. Okay. So, how about if we're going to download this one? Now, here, in this area, drag nyo lang po to, click nyo lang. And, meron po kayo makikita mga choices. So, what we are going to choose? So, we need to click download. Now, in download, here, so you can see all pages 3 or 2, meaning, ida-download nyo pong tatlo as MP4 or video beta, meaning MP4 po yan, naka-video na po siya. And, if you want to download only page 1, so you can click, okay, then download. If you want to download it all, so page 3 po lahat, all pages po yan. Again, going back. In this file type po na gusto nyong i-download, you can still choose. So, kung hindi po MP4 ang gusto nyong i-download, you can choose PNG, JPEG, and PDF file. Okay, so, ayan po. Pili lang po kayo kung anong download ang gusto niyo. Since we want video file, ang i-download natin, we need to choose MP4 video or video. Okay, let's click all pages. Ayan po, all pages, since all pages ang ating gustong i-download, and click download. Okay po. Okay, so now let's go to our downloaded design, downloaded files. So first, yung una nating na-download is wala pong animation. So let's look at. So ayan. This is for page 1 and yan po yung page 2 natin. And so ganun lang po ka-simple kung paano po gamitin ang ating Canva for our designs, and super dali lang po. And if you consider this video tutorial helpful for you, please do not forget to like, and if you like to share, please do so, and do not forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa ating mga video tutorial. So spread love and positivity, sulong edukadad.